Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sade. If you're new here, then please do consider subscribing. Today we've got a really exciting video. I haven't been to IKEA in the longest time. I used to come here probably once every 2 weeks for a long stint of time, and you could not drag me out of that shop for anything. So it's been a while, so I think we're going to have a slow roam around the shop, see what's new in, what kind of rooms they've put together. If you've been to an IKEA, you know that they are really good at styling their pieces in like these kind of like fake rooms that they've got to give you inspiration. So I want to see what new bits they've got in there that they've styled and how they've styled them. I hope that you enjoy this video. Like, comment and subscribe. Let's head into the shop. One of the first things that caught my eye were that they were using a Frydans block-out roller blinds to project onto. I thought that was really clever and a great way to watch movies in a small space or a kid's room. IKEA have always had great sofas and a great range of sofas, but a couple of their accessories caught my eye. This Thorgun fleece blanket was very soft. You can pick it up for £3 and it comes in this gorgeous cream colour, great for a neutral space. And this Rhodeby armrest is really clever. You can basically use it like a table and you can put it on the arm of your chair, put your drinks on there, a laptop, and it's a little side table. The Hemjuden is a set of 2 metal white tables that you can use as a nest of tables, 2 separate tables in 2 different areas, or you can put them together to make one longer coffee table. The Visbro also comes in this grey beige colour now. You can use it to store blankets or newspapers, and the top of it can also be used as a table. And finally, the Listerby comes in at £129, offering an oak veneer finish and a really beautiful design that I can see lasting in homes for a very long time. The Ranas is a TV bench with glass black doors. I can see this being such a statement piece in the right house, coming in at £279. It looks modern and sophisticated. I've always been really impressed with the storage units IKEA has to offer. They have sideboards, TV units, drawers, cabinets, you name it. And they're really coming into their own, offering modern and out there designs. You can mix and match different door designs and colours to really make it your own and make it fit perfectly with your home. This Ersnaz sideboard is a great size and a great shape. This would fit really well in a Scandi themed room, but personally I'd like to upcycle it. I think this would be a great candidate for an IKEA hack. These little guys are some of IKEA's new bookends. They are £3.50 and they're the spals. They come in this gold finish and they look like 2 people hugging, which I think is really cute. They work simply by hooking underneath the shelf to keep your books upright, and they're pretty sturdy. Some absolute favourites and loves of mine when it comes to IKEA are the Billy bookcases with the Oxburg doors. I love them so much and they work so perfectly in every single room, and they've got a finish for every single style. I've actually been considering getting a stand-in desk for a while, and this one is an electrical one, which I didn't know that IKEA did. I love that it's just clean and simple. And something else that caught my eye was this double-sided whiteboard with a material backside so that you can pin stuff to when you're doing work. Some really great and practical pieces that I think any office would be glad to have. One of my fave finds from the day is the Sandsberg bar table for £49. Now, I think this is an absolute bargain and would work so well in a smaller kitchen space. And speaking of kitchens, IKEA have so many new accessories in. I've seen these wide baskets before, but they've got them in some really beautiful springtime colours. I've got these in my kitchen and they work an absolute treat for storing treats, biscuits and bread items. But I think you could even use them in an office or somewhere that you need some extra storage baskets. One thing that had my Instagram up in storm was this pegboard drawer organiser. I couldn't get my head around the fact that people put plates and bowls in drawers, but apparently it's a thing. Let me know in the comments, are you someone that stores your dishes in drawers or in cupboards like me? Another amazing find was this Haverrud table with storage ladder. I thought this was so beautiful and would work again in a small space, someone's kitchen, but also the creatives that perhaps would use it for pottery making or painting in their garage. I think I might even need one if I'm being honest. And IKEA have a bunch of new stools and chairs to offer. I was quite surprised to see this particular design as a new in chair. I didn't think that they were popular anymore, but seeing it in situ against this marble table made me think differently. And I think they would actually go really beautifully with this new Marie-Dame black marble design table. The circular shape with the thin top is very modern and the marble gives it a very sophisticated look. IKEA's 365 Plus range is great for everyday simple cookware items. Their pots and pans offer a stainless steel finish with a Teflon non-stick coat, which is great. And for when you finish cooking, you can grab some of these cork boards so that they don't transfer heat to your surfaces when you're done cooking. IKEA also have some really great baking accessories as well. This Smack Sam cake decorating toolkit, this back tradition baking mat with measurements of the diameter to get the perfect circle when baking, along with these really clever and very cute cookie scoopers so that you can poke the cookie dough out of the back and it doesn't get stuck when you're trying to bake. These Valvaldad brushes also have interchangeable heads so that you don't have to buy the whole thing every time you need a new one. You can keep the handle and just replace the heads. This Osbit dish holder is also great for stacking your dishes inside cupboards. And these new Fargar cups really caught my eye because I love the tones and colours of them. They also come with these really cute coffee cup and saucers, and IKEA are really coming through with their crockery game. I was very impressed to see that these Denby dupes were very affordable and really look like the real thing. IKEA have such a good range when it comes to blinds and curtains. I've, for one, bought so many pairs there. I love the neutrals that they have to offer, but they also offer a really wide range of beautiful and bright colours if that's what suits your fancy. I've never had the privilege of trying some of the pillows from IKEA, but I've heard they are amazing. So if you have, please comment down below which ones you suggest, because I'd love to get one of these. I think the shapes are so intriguing and they look really super soft. IKEA have a great range of rugs to offer. If you can tell, I'm a neutral girl, so I am obsessed with their neutral range. I think it's just absolutely spot on. But I've got to say, some of the new in rugs I'm not so sure on. Sage green is one of my absolute favourite colours, so you'd think that I'd like this, but I just think it would be really difficult to style. And as for this one, it looks to me like artificial grass. So unless I was going to be using it outside, if it could be used outside, then this one's a no-go for me. But let me know what you think. Baskets are in abundance at IKEA. There are so many different patterns, designs, colours, ones for every single room and every single functionality. IKEA have had these magazine files for a while, but I've spotted that they've got some sage green ones now. You can pick up 2 in a pack for £8 and they'll really help you to get organised. IKEA have some really amazing plant pots in store. I love the look of this one and I think it would look beautiful hanging it in the corner of a room. If you combine 2 of these Hast Bonner plant pots, you could create a really nice centrepiece, and they're only £6 each. And they've also got this really cute 3-piece gardening set for £3, perfect if you're a beginner wanting to get started in gardening. New in the garden section is the Ving Sung armchair. It comes in at £250, very comfy and can be used as an indoor or outdoor chair. And for £320 you can pick up the Himelzo gazebo with curtains offering protection against UV light. And finally, onto my favourite place, the circular hub, a second chance for IKEA furniture. And if you want to grab yourself a bargain, come down here for up to 70% off ex-display stock and returns. This Vimlay 2-seater sofa has gone down from £500 to £275 simply because it's an outgoing product. This bar table and chairs were down 50% and I couldn't spot a single thing wrong with them. They had this very trendy table down 30%. And then something that caught my eye was this Hemnes desk because I need one for my new office, and it was down 50%. And finally, with 40% off, they had the very popular Hemnes chest of 8 drawers. I hope that you enjoyed shopping with me in IKEA today. If you did, please do remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out another video while you're here. Take care, and I will see you in the next one.